So I was just asked to just talk about the setup, really, just show what the setup was on the chaser. So running a Mobius cam to record the HD, got the camera in the front for the FPV. I'll start off with a power setup. So running a 5S 3 cell, 5200 3S multi-star battery, going through a 30 amp ESC. It's just a ProFlight UK one. I think it's a rip off of the Hobby King Plushers, through a Sunny Sky 1250 16 kV motor, running an 8x4, it's an 8x8 prop, running the Vector with the pitot tube and GPS. On the underside, running the R9 Mini receiver, so up to 10 kilometers of range. Then on this side we've got the FPV transmitter, which is an AKK 1000 milliwatt adjustable one. So on the FPV, got the camera at the front, got a three-way video switcher, so I can switch behind the rear view camera, the normal front camera, or I can even switch between the Mobius view. On the transmitter side, running an QX7 with a R9M 900 milliwatt, 900 megahertz, 1000 milliwatt transmitter. It's adaptive, so depending on your RSSI, it goes anywhere between, I think, 10 milliwatts and 1000 milliwatts. So with this setup, probably good for about 8-9 kilometers at least, with a 5.8 video. Had it up to 5, still with a very good video, so I'll push it a bit further and see how we get on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below.